Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Sketchbook Free Edition to draw beautiful lake reflections with mountains. First, we enable the Symmetry tool and use the Dusty Airbrush with the texture looks like a cloud to draw the sky. We will need to change the size and the occupancy of Dusty Airbrush to maximum and use 4 different colors to draw the sky. These colors are blue, gray, yellow, and orange. Once we got the sky layer done, we're going to create a new layer for the mountains. For the mountains, we will use Teconico pen with size 10. And on the right hand side, we will select the second last color, which is a grayish blue, for to draw the mountain on the right hand side. When you're drawing the mountains, please make sure you shake your hands a little bit to make the mountain curve natural. After we close the gap, we will fill the color and then repeat the same process for the left hand side with the navy blue on the bottom of the right hand side. So after you fill the mountain color, if there's a gap in between the edge and the center, you just need to click on the gap a couple times to fill them out. Now very importantly, on the right hand side, we need to click on the lock icon of the mountain layer to lock the layer. Now we can go back to use the Dusty Airbrush and select a different texture, which looks like the mountain texture, to spray on top of the mountains to make the mountain look like realistic. Here we are using color black. To lock the layer is very important, is because now when we spray, the color only show, or the pattern only show on top of the mountains, not beyond. So now we're going to merge the mountain and the sky layer together and use the smudge tool to smudge out the bottom half of the picture to make it look like a lake with reflections. So now you need to you notice that we also enable the predictive tool from the top and change the level to 5. This will make your stroke to be flat. So if you're trying to just say you draw a circle, the predictive tool will make your line a perfect rounded circle. But when you're trying to draw a straight line, the predictive tool will help you to predict your line is straight. So this is very helpful for us to smudge out the bottom half. So you notice that we're using like 2 different of the smudge tool. The third last one with the default setting first, and then the last smudge tool with size 50 and occupancy 5% again to smudge up the entire bottom half of the picture. Now we're going to create a new layer for the fog in the center. You see we enable the Symmetry tool to help us to move the ruler guide to the center. And then we go back to use the Dusty Airbrush with another smooth texture for the fog. First, we're going to use size 50 and occupancy 50% and light orange color to apply the fog from the right hand side. The reason it is orange fog because it has the reflection from the sky. So after that, we're going to repeat the process for the blue color to apply the fog from the left hand side. So after we're done, we can have a look and then on top of that, we're going to use the white color and size 100 and occupancy 100% to apply a thicker, whiter fog on top of the blue and the orange fog. So now we got a beautiful picture of mountain reflections in the lake. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.